guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I finally received the yarn that I had purchased, I believe last week or 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure anymore, but I received it today and I'm gonna show you what I got. So this yarn is LIONBRAND yarn, and I purchased this type of yarn so that way I can use it to make SEWRELLA'S confetti cardigan. I was going to try and get the yarn that she used, and it was one of her handmade dyed yarns, but at the time there weren't any, and I think she had a kit but they were sold out. And to be honest with you, right now her handmade yarn is kind of pricey for me, so yeah, that's why I went with the LIONBRAND yarn that I had chosen and had purchased. I got this on sale. I think usually this LIONBRAND yarn is like around $6.99, and then I got it for around $4.50 online. I'm really happy for that because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need almost all of the yarn that I had purchased. So yeah, let me just show you guys. So I got 2 different colors. It's the same type of yarn though. So I got one in like a nice light pink and then a nice gray. So I got 4 of these ones, and then 3 of this color. So let's open it up and give you a closer look. So this is, I believe, LIONBRAND's Touch of Alpaca, and this type of yarn, this was suggested by SEWRELLA. I think it's on her pattern, her free pattern. I can leave a link down below for it too if you're interested in the confetti cardigan. Yeah, so she put some yarn suggestions and I chose this one, and this is for specific for hats, scarves, and sweaters. So yeah, this is the gray one. I think the actual color name is Oxford Gray. I'm really excited. Feels really nice. I don't usually buy this type of yarn just because I like to use acrylic yarn. Yeah, this one's 90% acrylic and 10% alpaca. Yeah, I usually use 100% acrylic yarn or well, close to 100% cotton yarn. So let me just open up a small one for the pink, and this one is the blush. Yeah, it's a blush color for this one. I think when I was looking at yarn, I just thought these 2 color combinations would work really well. The main color would be the pink, and then the stripes for the pattern would be the gray. So I'm really excited for that. I think I might start this project today when my son is gonna go down for a nap, and I will just be filming like progress videos for this. I won't film like a tutorial just because SEWRELLA already has a tutorial for this. So if you want like a visual how to crochet this and understand her pattern, I'll leave the link down below for that as well. So yeah, this is just like another little mini yarn haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. Also, most importantly, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, bye guys.